Welcome. My name is WIKO View 3, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts application, which for me is right over here. From here, tap on the three bars and go to the settings, and at the bottom you should see import option, so select it. Choose that you want to import contacts from SIM card, and here you will see all the contacts that are on the SIM card. By default, they will all be selected as they are for me, and some of them might already be deselected and grayed out. That means that those contacts are already on your device, so the device is stopping you from creating duplicates. Anyway, apart from that, you can also disable contacts yourself if there is some contacts that you just don't want. And from there, what you need to do is tap on a check mark to import the selected contacts. As you can see, it gives you amount of contacts that have been imported. And from here, you should be able to see them right here in your list. And that is how you would import your contacts. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.